Hi, welcome back to Redline Race Day. Today, we're going to have a drag race. We're going to use multi-lanes, and we're going to use the F1 Grand Prix cars. I found this picture on the internet, and I was inspired to make a multi-lane track. Today's race setup will be 2 fair-lane start gates, 4 straightaways, 2 two-lane trestles, 2 lane mergers, a dual-lane curve, and a finish gate. The cars we're using today is from the Grand Prix series. This one, from 1969, is the Brabham Repco F1. Here's the Lotus turbine, also from 1969. Next we have the Indy Eagle from 1969. Here's a Shelby turbine, also from 1969. Here we go. The track is set up, the cars are ready. Let's have race 1. Looks like the Shelby turbine jumped the track and its wheels locked up with the Remco. The Indy Eagle wins race 1. The track is reset. The cars have switched lanes. Let's have race 2. The Brabham Repco wins race 2 and will advance and race the Indy Eagle for the championship race. Okay, race fans, the track is reset. The cars have now switched lanes. Let's have the championship race. The Brabham Repco F1 wins the championship race and is today's champion. And there you have it. The winner of today's race is the Brabham Repco F1. Thanks for joining me on Redline Race Day today. I hope you had a good time. Remember, Hot Wheels go faster, roll further. And if you like what you saw, why don't you go ahead and click like and subscribe. And while you're there, click that notification bell, because here you're only going to find the fastest miniature metal cars you've ever seen. I'll see you next race.